uLufuno Mavhunga oneminyaka eyishumi nanhlanu uzibulale ngomsombuluko emva kokushaywa omunye umfundi abefunda naye esikoleni Mbilwi Secondary. Umndeni wakhe ukhungathekile.
On the same day, when she came back, she reported the matter to the parents to say she was beaten by a fellow learner. They tried to comfort her as possible as they could. I think after that they took it for granted that their comfort has worked. It was only later that they realized that it's like she has taken some of the medication that was in the house.
Umndeni uthi udumele ngokuthi yize uLufuno alibika lolu daba lokuhlukunyezwa kwakhe abanye abafundi, kepha isikole asenza ngalutho.
As the family, we feel like maybe if they had intervened at such particular time and make sure that they do, their work diligently, because the matter was reported.
Umndeni ufuna ukuthi aqondiswe izigwegwe umfundi oshaye uLufuno ngaphambi kokuba azibulale.
If there is any criminality that is, that has happened, we would like to see, like South Africa would like to see, justice prevailing. So we haven't done anything, we haven't opened any case.
Amaphoyisa aseLimpopo athi lo mfundi obonakala eshaya omunye ku video useboshiwe uzobhekana necala lokushaya kanti umphakathi uzobe ungavumelekile uma esevela enkantolo. Okwamanje usagcinwe esikhungweni esiphephile samaphoyisa.